Shall we start the session, please? Sanjay, focus in work. Till that time you were talking, it's okay. But now I started fan little bit. Sharmila, Kavya, good evening, beta. Everyone get ready for class, please. Now listen, everyone. See, today what we are going to do is some of the most iconic questions where trendy questions are there. We are going to solve. Come on, check this one out. Circle chapter and other chapters also. I'm going to show you some MCQ questions are there. Some short questions are there which you must solve. Yashwant, good evening, beta. Yashwant, you didn't come offline. Okay. Now look here. One question is there. I want you people to understand that question. Listen. Can I start, please? Everybody, please put full attention and don't talk. 1 minute is important because 12th is also asking class. Now look here. They are also wanting class. They are saying to conduct class for them also. Yesterday also I did not. When you talk first. One question is, everybody, this question is CBSE 2019 question. 2019 question related to circle. Everybody, please start solving this question. Satya, please focus into this part where if you are in home means, please kindly understand this is a very important part and we must practice. Don't look here and there. Don't get distracted. Just focus in study right now. Okay. Question is, if one end of a diameter AB of a circle, if one end of a diameter AB of a circle, if one end of a diameter AB of a circle of radius 5 centimeter okay, so what is the radius given? 5 centimeter is the radius given. Now what next they are telling that tangent XAY is drawn to the circle. Tangent XAY is drawn to the circle. Okay. Diameter is given, circle tangent is given. What they are telling, the length of the chord CD, the length of the chord CD, the length of the chord CD, the length of the chord CD parallel to XY at a distance of 8 centimeter, at a distance of 8 centimeter from A. And your time starts now. Shall you start the work, please? So now please check this one. Come on, everyone, start doing your work. I have given one question to you. Can you kindly focus into the work, please? Maya, come. See, these pattern questions are very important. 2019, 2022, they have asked these type questions. So this question you must be practicing, means it will be better. Okay. I'm not understanding. I gave one work to you people. You must draw that and start doing your work. Good evening, Kritika. Please check and start solving, please. I'll move from there. You people are sitting in that location now where I cannot be able to assess with the question. See, one end of the diameter AB of a circle. What they have told? The length of the chord CD. The length of the chord CD. You need to find the length of the chord CD. Stop saying me good evening, good night. Okay, you do one work. You start solving your question. What question I have given? That question you start solving. That's most important. So focus in your work, please. Yeah, that will be much better if you will focus in your work. And that will be much better if you will take out that. Praveen, which location you are sitting? At least go back here. Fine, fine, fine. We can't wait. Hey, we can't waste our time today. Listen, what is actually given to you? You need to check what and all things are given to you. First, check this one out. What they have given. If one end of the Ovian, why mood? Only one word for you. Why mood? If one end of the diameter AB of a circle of radius 5 centimeter, this tangent is drawn to the circle. Understood or not? So from one end, a tangent is drawn. Got it? So here, if we will see, this is the circle and this is the diameter. This is B, this is A, and this is the tangent drawn. And that is XAY. Got it? The diameter is exactly having this radius is 5. This is also 5. Understood? After that, what is the next point? They are telling that XY is drawn to the circle. The length of the chord CD parallel to XY. One chord is there, CD, and CD is parallel to XY. Parallel to XY at a distance of 8 units from A. At a distance of 8 units from A. So what is the distance given? 8 units. See, the length of the chord CD parallel to XY at a distance of 8 units from A. So this distance is given as 8 units. So CD will be, yes, so CD will be above. It will not be below. CD will be going above because 8 units are there now. So this will be better because now this CD is here. C and D. Got it? And what is the distance between them? 8 units. So this distance is 8 units. Can we tell what is this? This is exactly 5. All radius will be exactly 5. We know that a line drawn from the center of the circle to the chord is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. Remember this part. So because we have to find the length, CD length. Understood? So our major target is, listen everyone, our major target is to find the length CD. Now we know that from the center of the circle to the chord, the line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. Understood? So right from the center of the circle to the chord, the line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. Understood? So therefore, we will keep it as E. OE is perpendicular to CD. Done? So this angle will be coming how much? This angle will be coming OEC. Therefore, angle OEC is coming as 90 degree. OEC is coming as how much degree? 90 degree. So this part is over. Now, but we know na Pythagoras theorem can be applied. See, OA is 5. Correct na? See, O to B is how much? Check. OE is how much? 8. Check. A to E is coming how much? 8. Total length is coming as, AE is coming as 8 centimeter. Now, beta, OA is how much? 5. Then can you tell me what is OE? OE is 8 minus 5, that is coming as 3 centimeter. That's it. Our question is solved now. Now look here. Here the moment you have done this one and you got this one as 3 centimeter. Now how much you got? 3 centimeter. And then what 5 is given? 3. So can we take this triangle OED? So we'll write in triangle OED, right angled at E, using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Got it? So what we are going to write, beta? We will be writing, this part will be coming as how much? So we'll write OD is 5 now. OD square is equal to OE square plus ED square. So OD is 5. 5 square is equal to 3 square plus ED square. So 25 minus 9 root under is equal to ED. So ED is coming as root under 16 is equal to 4 centimeter. Then what is CD, beta? That's what they asked us. They asked what is CD, and CD successfully we got as how much centimeter? 8 centimeters. Very good, Maha. Everyone please check you are live or not. So this is one circle question. As your demand, I have given you circle chapter revision. Did you got the answer? Now look here. We'll go for the next question. Good evening, Ashwita. Yes, it's 8 centimeter only. I took this one out. Now look here. Please kindly go for the next part. See, this section you have understood now. How to handle this section, how to solve this part. CD part will go up. So in any question will be there, use your brain first, how to handle the situation and then solve the question. You have to give, don't chew chewing gum in class. Seriously, I'll punch you. Now go for the next question. I don't like all those habits. Now see, one type question is coming again and again. They are hitting the part and they are asking this question. I'm going to give you this question. This is case study question or what? I need to check one time. Okay, fine. Now look here. This question is CBSE 2022 question and this is coming from circle chapter. Ready? Question is very nicely do. In the given figure, one circle is there. This is the circle given. In this circle, come. Now look here, beta. This is center O is there, and here this part we will join like this, and beta here you check this one out. Little center this part will be there. O, we will join like this. Okay, they have given this question, and this is O, this is Q, this is A, and this is B, and this is P. So this is actually given to you. Very nicely draw this part. See, understand, when CBSE can give you grace marks. If you're not knowing any question, specifically in geometry sections, I'm giving you one clue. Draw and at least write 2-3 important points relevant to the topic. Understood not? Like angles and whatever information they have given in the question, you must give that. Got it? And once you have given, you will be subjected for getting half marks. Understood? At least half marks you are subjected to get. That is CBSE rule, because CBSE is exactly wanting the teacher to what you called appreciate the student who understands the basic beginning section. Understood not? So if you know the basic beginning sections, you will be able to solve. So this is exactly the mark of appreciation. But I want my children to solve the question. Now what question is given? O is the center of circle. Center of circle. O is the center of circle. Okay, next part what it is given? Find angle. You need to find angle AQB. Find angle AQB. You need to find angle AQB given that AP and AQ are tangents drawn Okay, AP and AQ are what beta? Tangents drawn. And beta, another important point is they have given this angle. Okay, and beta, they have given angle APB. Angle APB is equal to 75 degree. Come on, start solving the question, please. And your time starts now. Start solving. Start doing it. What is the angle coming? 52.5 degree. Can I solve? Now look here, beta. We know that tangents and radius are perpendicular to each other. Tangents and radius are perpendicular to each other. So this is 90. This is also 90. So radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. So since we know that, we'll write since radius and tangents. Everyone please focus here. This is the radius coming from center and this is the tangent. So radius and tangents are what? Perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. Okay. So write radius and tangent are perpendicular to the point of contact. So they are perpendicular to the point of contact. So radius and tangent, yes, radius and tangents are perpendicular to the point of contact, and because of that, this will become 90 degree and this one will also become 90 degree, and this part is given as 75 degree. So this one we will take out because sum of all the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So what we will write? Therefore, angle OP, angle OAP plus angle APB plus angle PBO plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. Sum of angles of quadrilateral. Now beta, if sum of angles of quadrilateral is coming like this, Kavya, I'll check. Vishwa is there in class? Which Vishwa? Here one more is there. Now look here. So this is exactly 75 plus 90, 8 plus 90 plus angle AOB is equal to 360. So beta, see, can you listen me first? First important point here is that whenever you are solving these type of questions, you see how point by point systematic approach I am generating. Did you saw my way of writing? You need to copy my way of writing. You need to understand how to write. The copy, the way of presentation has to be there. Understood? So first what you need to learn from me is how to present the question. Are you understanding? How to present the question. That's most important. So angle AOB is equal to 360. Now 180 plus 75. How much is coming? 255. So how much it is coming, beta? Angle AOB is coming as 105 degree. Now we know now angles on the same base and between the same. So here now this, because on the same arc, the angle subtended on the circumference is half the angle subtended at the center. Understood? On same arc. This is class 9th formula. Sorry, this is class 9th theorem. What is class 9th theorem? Remember this one. Praveen, focus here. This is exactly arc. This is arc. Understood? So, and here another arc is there. So, on this arc, two angles are there. One in center and one on circumference. One where? Amudan, one is on center and one is on circumference. So, what is the theorem? The theorem says that the most important theorem says that the angle subtended on the circumference, what is that? On same arc, on the same arc, the angle subtended at center is double the angle subtended at the circumference. You see, I have patience of writing it. I wrote it patiently. So now, beta, what will be the angle here? The angle, that means angle AQB will be what? It will be half. Angle AQB is half of angle AOB. That is 105 degree divided by 2. So how much it will come? 54.5, 5.55 degree. 52.5 degree. I hope you might have understood this is the way to solve the question. Please kindly check. Everyone, please kindly check. This is exactly the way to proceed and solve the question. Done, beta. Once you have finished, you tell me. I will give another question. Sanjay, understood now? Beta, see, when these type questions are coming, what they are needing here is, see, Joshua, right, beta. I know, written drawing, beta. Drawing is very important, children. Again and again, I am telling, completed, beta. Yes, very good. See, from here till 15th, 17th of February, you promised me because I really wish you people to get full mark in exam. Understood? I'm ready to work hard. I'm ready to stay awake in night also. But you people have to present me in examination. And Sanjay, you know the reason, right? Correct now. So I really wish this is the best time, and all of you, Jivitan, please practice as much as possible. Jivitan, four of you. If possible, you take your lunch back, you come here, you sit and practice. Keep practicing. Understood or not? Sit here, keep practicing, discuss with each other, discuss with me. From tomorrow, I am free here. Okay? Left. I hope you might have understood this one. Now, but the next question, again, see, this type of questions only is most important. So, we are going to take care of this type questions. Now, look here, 100% ready? Now, look here, one more question is there. This is CBSE 2023 and 2024 most expected question. Ovian, first to you stop sitting with, first of all, you stop sitting with Jotam. Hello? Online class, you check. I have sent you some details. Yes, yes. That one time you check. I will make it in. I'll make it in few days. Okay. Now please pay attention and start doing your work. Hey, Porani and she's asking about Porani and Vishwa. Where are these two rain frogs? Nesco. Now look here. One question is there. Go for it, everyone. A. Here also one angle is there. In this circle part here one angle is there. Now here it is B. The touching part is P. This part is A. S. This is D. This is R. This is C. 27 centimeter. Okay. And this touching point is, I'm coloring it with another color. This touching point is Q. Okay, and this side value is given as, this depth is given as, total this is taken as X. AB is equal to X. This part is given as X. Okay, B to C total given as 38 centimeter. Circle, these are killer questions. They change the trend of asking questions. This is exactly 27 centimeter. RC is 27 centimeter. And very proudly, you have to find the AB. You have to find X. You have to find X centimeter. X centimeter only you have to find, and your time starts now. Come on, start solving the question. Will you be able to solve or not? Tell me. Can I start solving? See, this entire 21 centimeter, very good, Yashwat. So, see, this entire question, na, now look at it. One by one, first understand what and all work you have to do. check this one out. First, beta, you need to understand C is the external point. Okay. Now R and Q, they are of equal length. First, you start dividing. First, you start writing, start dividing. See, from external point of a circle, the tangents drawn are of equal length. So, this is the first road map. So, what we will write? We'll write from external point of a circle, the tangents drawn are of equal length. Understood? So now beta, what is done at the external point? When then, where were you? Yeah, I'm searching you 2 days for maths practice. Now look at it. So that means C is the external point. Since C is the external point, then what beta, RC will be equal to RQ, and that will be equal to 27 centimeter. Now beta, but one thing is there, can you notice, sorry, RC is equal to CQ. Done na? Now beta, here total BC is given as 38 centimeter, and BC can be written as CQ plus BQ, correct? Now here, what is B? B is the external point. First, 38 is equal to 27 centimeter plus BQ. So what is BQ beta? 38 minus 27. How much it is coming? 11 centimeter. Now beta, B is the external point. Here, what is the external point? B is the external point. So this length will be equal to this length. Understood? Now since B is the external point, this statement we will take it as 1. Understood? So therefore, from 1 we can say BP is equal to BQ. So what is BP beta? BP is also 11 centimeter. So BP is also coming here 11. This is also coming as 11. Understood? Now we are very near because we only have to prove this is a square. Understood? Now we have to prove that this is a square. How? We know one thing. Radius and tangents are perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. 90 degree coming now? Huh? And here it is exactly, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, then this is also coming as 90 degree. This side is equal to this side. Correct now? So this is what? This is a square. So this side will become 10. Got it? Done now? Easily done now? See, you need to understand, very good. So you need to understand what and all tricks we can use to solve the question. So we will write here, since OS is equal to OP, what they are beta? Radii. Got it? So if these two radii, this is 10, this one is also coming as 10. Understood? And radius and tangents are perpendicular. So beta, this part will become 90 degree and this part will also become 90 degree. Okay. So we will say angle OSA is equal to angle OPA is equal to what degree? 90 degree. Understood? So if these two opposite angles sum is coming as 90 degree, and this side is equal to this side, and this side is coming. So this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. So all sides are exactly equal. So what we can say? According to the parallelogram, opposite sides equal and parallel, then it will become what? Parallelogram, or what you are going to say, square. Our concept is to prove it that it is a square. Understood? So this is 90 degree. Adjacent angle, this part will also become 90 degree. So understood? So here says this and this is 90 degree. Angle sum property of quadrilateral also, if you will take, means 2x it will come. We don't know that opposite angles. In a quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal if sides are equal. Understood or not? So based on that, anything you have to write, you need to write that part. You need to write. One explanation is there. 360 minus 270. But you have to prove, na, this is also 90. That you have to prove. Understood or not? So you need to prove that this is coming as 90 degree. Right now, this is radii and this is radii. See, this is 90 and this is 90. You know, na, adjacent angle sum is 180 degree. So if this is 90, then this one will become 90. Since adjacent angle sum in quadrilateral is 180 degree. What degree, beta? 180 degree. In quadrilateral is 180 degree. Therefore, we will say that APOS, therefore, APOS is a square. Got it? APOS is a square. We just claimed it that it is a square. You can give more explanation that this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, like that you can write and prove it bravely. But right now, our work is OS is equal to AP is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, AB is equal to AP plus PB. That is 10 plus 11, that is 21 centimeter. I rest my case. This is one of the most expected question. Most expected question. So please kindly solve this question. Don't leave the question. Square proving, if you are missing also, don't miss the other sections. Kritika, I am seeing your paper, please. 21 writing. Last time itself you are wanting to commit suicide means you commit suicide. Their centimeter, who will write? Unit writing is very important. If you will not write unit means nobody will give you. Please understand that. Okay, we will see like this typical questions only. First we need to discuss. Now another circle, because these type typical questions now it is very difficult now. If you have to practice, no other way out. So they will give like this type question in your sample paper questions also. What it asks in school, they're asking this type question only or not. So this is the new trend. This is exactly the way the question will be asked. Be very specific and practice these type questions very thoroughly. One line you are writing now, it will give you score. But don't write unwanted thing, they will never give you score. Some children, I want you to take notes and keep on practicing the questions. Got it? See, these concepts now are very important. Okay. So now shall we go for the next one? Now look here, another question is, a circle is there. This type question is very important. This question is, this is 30 degree. This is P, external point, Q, R, everything I have given. This point is R, this is S. Now what they are telling, find angle, don't help each other, try to help yourself, RQP and angle RSQ. This is a very important question. Please kindly children try to solve on your own. Start doing it. Nishika came. She came late or early? Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And that boy? I thought he's also in 11th class without chaddi. This much studying. At least this is Nishika's second birth. Don't disturb. This was stop and learn is not talking to any of us. Is it done? Beta 30 degrees given, you need to be very carefully align this question. See, beta, this is this will become x, this will also become x. Solve this question very particularly. Solve na, solve and say one angle is coming 75, another angle is coming as both 75, both 75. Okay, let's see. Very good, Vendan. So now look here. Those children who are solving, please understand one thing. This is because they told to find R, Q, P. They're asking R, Q, P. This angle they are asking R, Q, P. This angle they are asking R, Q, P. And second part R, S, Q. R, S, Q. This angle they are asking. These two angles they are asking. First to beta here. Cyclic quadrilateral. Direct we can take sum of quadrilateral, opposite angles of quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles of quadrilateral is 180 degree. Correct? Opposite angle sum quadrilateral is exactly what? 180 degree. So if this is Y, cyclic don't take, opposite angle you take. Okay. So we will write in this part. First to OR is equal to OQ. OR is equal to OQ. What they are? Radii. So if they are radii, now what we can say that angle OQR is equal to angle ORQ. Done. So this angle and this angle becomes same. Correct? Now beta here we have to find two things. So first part what we are doing is we will write this section as how much degree? Radius and tangents are done. So radius and tangents are perpendicular. Can I say ORP, angle ORP is equal to 90 degree? Why? Radius and tangents are perpendicular. Radius and tangents are perpendicular. Isosceles triangle also very good. That's also one of the concept. Isosceles triangle when two sides are equal, but we can say that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. That concept also we can use beta. So here it is coming as 90 degree. Now beta, what is RQP? First RQP. What will be that angle? Can anybody tell me? Ayo, RQP no, this angle. This X. 15. How that x will be 15? This plus this we are doing. So first we have to find this angle now. Huh? See, this angle is coming now. 180 minus 150. It is 150 now. This angle will be how much? 150. Why? Because this is what? This is a quadrilateral. Check. This is what? Quadrilateral. Understood not? So here this angle plus this angle will come as 180 degree. I'll say why. Then this triangle we can take now. 150 plus x. That's what. And here if this is coming, if this part is coming, then 90 minus 15, it will become 75. That's it. So that's part. In quad, we will write POQP, POQP, that is ROQP, angle QOR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles, sum of opposite angle is exactly coming as how much? 180 degree. Understood not? Yes, both are 75 degrees, absolutely correct. So here, now here one angle is coming as 30 degree. So 30 degree plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree. So angle ROQ is equal to 150 degree. Now beta in triangle ROQ, angle ROQ plus angle OQR plus angle ORQ is equal to 180 degree. So this is 150 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Once you have written till here, what next work you have to do? This part continuation I am writing here. 2x is equal to 30 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. So now beta, if this is 15 degree, sorry, this part is coming as 15 degree. Now since OQ is perpendicular to QP, therefore the radius and tangents, radius is perpendicular to tangent. So therefore angle RQP is equal to 90 minus 15 degree, and that is equal to 75 degree. Done. Now beta, if this is how much degree? 150 degree. Then half of 150 degree will become 75 degree. Now we will write, since angle ROQ is equal to 150 degree, therefore angle RSQ will be half of 50 degree, that is 75 degree. What theorem we are going to write, children? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Angle subtended by the same arc at the center is double the angle subtended at the circumference. I hope you might have understood. Come on, go for it, please. This part questions are coming means circle will be definitely carrying 4 to 5 marks. Pakka 2 questions will come. You see the new trend, pakka new questions will, true means pakka like this pattern na, we have to be very careful. Okay, See, like this type questions don't leave. But today we have done all exceptional questions, na? Most important questions of circle chapter revision we have done. Now, beta, one more question is there which is very important for you. This question, na, I have seen in many books. I don't know why. I'm telling you this today's video, na, you keep practicing today's questions from video. Okay. Now look here. Another question I'm giving you. Surface area and volume. I'm expecting some. Speed questions. Yeah, speed questions. Can I start? After what you call? Huh? Age related, word related problems. Can I start? Yeah, 8 questions, 8 marks better. I'm expecting like 100% some questions will come, and that is very, very important for you people. Word problems, I'm going to start. Huh? Huh? Linear equation in two variables related questions, na? Yes. Now, see, now in maths, are you getting some grip like, okay, I can be able to solve? Parallelly means morning, evening, math, science means both will go correct. But science space, we have to go with little high. Science only 2 days are there, na? Tamil students are having only 1 day for board exam, and normal students means Hindi students, other language, 2 days. So that's very less time in science. And we have how many days? Handful days. See, from 5th of February, we will stop any other subject. Are you understanding? 5th of February is the last time, because after 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th means I think 7th we will stop. After 7th, 8th till 16, only maths. 8th till 16, only maths we will practice. Got it? One by one, all the command in 10 days we will be only focusing. 26th. 26th is finalized date for sample paper exam for you people for maths. Understood? Not? And 29th you are having science. Okay? Section formula, yes. I will be asking. 7. Okay, fine. Now, shall we go for the next one? Now, look here, children. Yes. Now, children, look here. Solve this question. This is board question 2017. 2017 board question I'm giving you. You need to solve it with much clarity. Look at this question. I will not solve. This is the first question I will not solve. You people only have to solve. This is the diameter. But this is 30 degree. I think night out we have to do for science. No other options. One day I have to give you revision, and then 1 day test chapter wise. That will be better. 1 day revision, 1 day test. Yes, chemistry, physics full I have to give you revision. Lens part to from the beginning I have to start. हाँ बेटा. K is angle, yes. And your time starts now. Start solving the question, please. Okay, you do your work first. Now they're asking which angle. First drawing is over. If drawing is over, then they are asking angle PKL find. PKL. This angle they are asking. Hmm? Huh? It's all your call. I don't know. No other information is given. They have given till this much information only. O is the center of the circle and NL is the diameter. LN is the diameter. Okay. PQ is the tangent. KLN is equal to 30 degree. Anybody solved 45 degree? Ashish is telling 30 degree. See, the shortest distance will be perpendicular only. Okay. If you are drawing if you are drawing radius now like this, it will be radius and tangents are perpendicular. Okay. So this will become how much? Then this will be how much degree? 30, 30, 60 plus 90, 180 is coming. It will be 60. If this is 60, then this one will become, we need not to solve also. Yeah. Radius, this is radius and this is tangent. Wait, shortest distance between two. See, first you do one thing. Diameter and tangents are? See, another important concept is there are two concepts associated with it. Angles on semicircle is right angle. So this will become 90 degree. Understood or not? We have all concrete angles on. Please children listen first. Whenever you draw a circle and this is diameter, then this angle will become 90 degree. So angles on semicircle is a what? Angles on semicircle is 90 degree. Angles on semicircle is coming as how much? 90 degree. So now this part will become how much beta? 90 degree. Now if this is coming as 90 degree and this is 30 degree, then this one will become 60 degree. Understood or not? So if this is 60 degree, then next part what it is exactly there. Now check, because my concept was totally clear. If I am drawing from this section, I am drawing one line, radius and tangent is perpendicular. You check, that was coming very easily. What is alternate interior angle means? Okay, fine. Tell. See, this is coming 90, this is 30 and this is 60. Correct now? Then it will come 30 degree only now. parallel and transversal concept. Directly it is coming. Correct? See, look here. First though, this part, then angle K. We can say that LKN is equal to 90 degree. And what is given? Angle NLK will be equal to 30 degree. Then angle, some property of triangle, what it will become? Angle LNK will be equal to how much degree? 60 degree. Sum of angles of triangle, with the help of that we got here 60 degree. Then after that what we will say, this is 60, this is 90 and this is 30 degree. Now we know that shortest distance is always perpendicular. So we will write, since OK is perpendicular to KP, correct now? OK is perpendicular to KP, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Got it? So if radius is perpendicular to tangent, this total angle is coming as how much? This total angle is coming as 90 degree. The shortest distance means what? If this is 90, then this one will also become 90. Sum of the angles are coming as how much? 90. So this part is 90. Angle LOK is also coming as 90 degree. Since, understood or not? So both parties exactly coming as 90 degree. Kritika sent the solution. Both parties coming as 90 degree. After that, what we are going to do? We will say that ln is parallel to PQ. Also by alternate interior angle NLK is equal to angle LKP is equal to 30 degree. Alternate interior angles. Understood? Yes, ma'am. How much money, ma'am? Okay.
I have mentioned in the slip also.
Yes, very good. You gave slip, na? Super. This month, na? I hope you have done this work. Live is lagging. Now, shall we go for next question, please? I'm giving one 10 minutes break. Sorry, 10 minutes, 5 minutes break. After that, again starting.